Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a little bit of a different approach here. We have like these Pokemon tins. They're from the set Paldean Evolve, which I think was pretty cool. It's a little underrated, so it's still achievable for a decent price out there. Especially with the new sets, which are going crazy right now. So I thought I would pick two more tins up because I'm still missing some cards for my set. Okay, this is a little damage, but whatever. And as you know, there's some cool shiny cards in here, and some cool chase cards as well. I'm still surprised to see that they are still like $5 a pack or so. Like these tins, I bought each for like $10, which is two booster packs, a sticker, and one of these random collector cards. I can show you that in a sec here. With the mouse hold, you get this little card. No idea why. You can actually combine them to one big picture, and then you get also a sticker. Let's check out the other one here. Throw all these to the side. We're not interested. And then, as I said, you get two booster packs in each tin. So that's around about $5 for each pack, which is fine. As we can see here, we got different art packs. That's cool. So if we're lucky, we get those as well. And then we have like all, yeah, nice. We have like every single art pack out of these two tins. So that's kind of excited, and I'm pretty excited to see what's in here. Lately we didn't have much luck on these, so I would say maybe today is the day. And I will compare the packs. This one feels kind of odd. It's like there's some like it almost feels like there's a lot of air or something in here, which is weird, but whatever. We just hope for the best. I hope it's not a scam or something, but I don't think so. The tints look legit. Yeah, so whatever. Let's just dive right in there and see what this is about and hope for the best, right? I mean, nothing more we could do at this point anyway. So, feels fine. I mean, if they are resealed, someone did a really good job. Here's a code card for you guys, and can't remember, is this the card? No, okay, we need one more, right? Yeah. Okay, well, let's start. We got rare candies and household, and then we got some bro. Nice. We got Jigglypuff. No, Jigglytuff. Full art and shiny, and that's pretty interesting. I did not know that there's a possibility to get two hits instead of two reverse. I thought you could get like one hit for a reverse, but I did not know it could replace both reverses. So that's actually a really good start here. Don't think any pack will, yeah, do better than that, but we'll see. But I'm more than happy already how this is starting. So let's see if the other pack of the same tin is doing the same thing for us. That will be amazing. So here's the code card. One to the front, fire. Oh, no, it's fighting. Whatever. Okay, well, like I said, I'm really digging this set. I feel like it's a little underrated for some reason. Let's hope. Let's hope. Interesting. On the second slot. And normal holo. Okay, whatever. We have two EXs. That's not bad at all. Two EXs, one full art shiny, and one tin for two packs. Looking good. Let's see if the other one is actually performing similar, or if we were just like super lucky on that one. I think we should be lucky, or should have been lucky on that one, because it doesn't seem ever happen to me. But whatever. Okay, now we have to fire Niggy. And let's see. Oh, Pikachu, Phanpy, Lapras, Gengar. Okay, reverse into. What the hell? Okay, we are like super lucky. I should have bought more, I guess. Wow, really nice artwork. I apparently sadly have this one already, but it looks amazing. It's so cute. I mean, come on. And yeah, looking good. Three boosters. We're here with one art. We are full art and two EXs. And yeah, I will assume this last pack is not gonna have anything. That would be ridiculous otherwise. I mean, it would be amazing, but I don't think we will get a hit here. So, Wait, we got Paldean students twice? Is that a thing? Is that possible? It's weird to me. I don't know. Oh well. Mouse hold. Okay. Nope. Okay, this seems like the average pack you normally would get. But that's fine. Out of 4 packs, 1 average pack, and everything, all the one had at least 1 hit is more than fine with me. But this is odd. This is just super odd to me. Why are we having 2 Paldean students in 1 pack? But whatever. Loving it, and hope this pack or these packs get more love. I will see you around. My name is Badger. Take care, you guys, and until the next time, bye bye.